This one's kind of more for Sierra. What's the best date Alex has ever taken you on?
The best date? Oh man. For our 1-year anniversary, he took me on a hot air balloon ride. Because I told him that like forever ago, and I was like, that was one of the things on my bucket list, because I have a really long bucket list. So yeah, and it had like breakfast and champagne and stuff in it. So that was
I nailed it. It was awesome. What's your name, by the way? Hi, Hannah. I'm Alex. That's Sierra.
Next question. Raise your hand high as you can. What's your name now?
Hallie.
Hallie.
Hi. Hello. What was it like working with the judges on X Factor, especially Demi Lovato?
Do you love her?
Yes.
Oh
Just saw her
man,
last night.
it was
How
really.
was it?
Amazing.
Yeah, good.
It was really intimidating at first, especially like the audition, because you go up and you see these people on TV for so long, you never see them in person, and you kind of think they're fake. Or with us, no.
We're right here, guys.
I don't know. It's so weird finally seeing them in person, and then you never know what to expect, whether they're nice or not. And they all were really nice. It was still really weird getting comments like backstage from them and like real advice. I don't know.
We talked to them every once in a while backstage too, and like Demi would come up and she was just kind of down to talk about whatever. She was really cool.
She asked me for help on Candy Crush.
Yeah, she
that was
did.
one thing I remember, because I beat that game, and she was on like level 80 or something.
You were on like level 430 or something like that.
What?
Ridiculous. You were on like level 400 something.
I don't know. But they all were really nice. It was a really awesome experience, and you should be proud to be a Demi fan, because she rules.
All right, you guys want to sing another one?
Sure.
Bailey, want to ask it?
Haley? Hi. What advice would you give to somebody who was thinking of auditioning for a show like X Factor?
Oh man, definitely. Well, remember that it's a TV show, and there's always there's always, what is the word? Not an agenda. Oh man, I'm going real downhill with this. Not a schedule. Anyways.
Do you want me to try to answer?
Yeah, you try.
Sure. Okay.
I'm gonna think
Was the question? I'm sorry, I was changing.
advice for someone going to on a singing show.
A singing show. You know what? I say take every opportunity that comes your way, whether it's a singing show or it's a performance at your grandmother's wedding or anything. It doesn't matter. Anytime that anyone will listen to you sing, you have to take it, because if nothing happens, at least you're learning and you're practicing and you're getting to learn how to be in front of people and sing in front of people and do the thing that you love. So no matter what the opportunity is, I'd say take it. Right?
Okay, now I remember what I was going to say. I don't remember what agenda had to do with it, but just remember that it's a singing show, and you know, those 3 or 4 people that see you, they could say something bad or they could say something amazing, but it doesn't. You could be the best singer in the world, and there's going to be someone that doesn't like you. So if someone doesn't, then don't let that stop you, and keep singing, keep going.
And that goes for not just
yeah,
singing
that goes for
shows,
anything, whether you like singing or you're a painter or something else. Just keep going no matter what other people say. If it's what you want to do, then you should keep doing it. So, yeah.
Yeah, that goes for literally everything. Not just simple. If you guys like woodwork too, that, you know, just woodwork all the time. Whittle all
If you like
day.
making small cabinets.
Yeah, tiny coffee
Elves.
tables.
Planting.
Sorry.
things.
We get
Keep
way
going.
off topic.
I know. It's like a reality show. By the way, did your grandma get remarried?
No, actually, not at all.
Your grandma's wedding.
Some people have grandma weddings.
That's very true. I'm not here to judge you, alright? None of us are.
I want to go to a grandma wedding.
Anybody have a grandma getting married soon? No?
No. You want to do, let's do one more quick
Grandma's
question.
wedding or our wedding?
One more quick question. What's your name? Hope.
My question is, are you still friends or like close with anybody from the show?
Totally.
Yeah, we talked to Restless Road a lot. They came and visited us in Florida. We just saw Josh Levi. Yeah, we saw him. We were driving in LA once, and Alex makes eye contact with someone in the car next to us randomly, and then he looks back, and like a solid 30 seconds goes by, and then he's like, Sierra, is that Josh Levi in the car next to us? And I look over, and it was. And we pulled down our windows, and we were screaming and freaking out, and he wasn't looking over, because I'm pretty sure he thought crazy people were in the car next to him.
Eventually he did, though. He did look over. But, like, we'll talk to Carlito from time to time.
Rachel Potter. Pretty much, we were very we're very close to everyone, so we don't get to see them all as often as we'd like, but with texting and stuff, it's easy to talk to people. Yeah.
By the way, we didn't get your name. Hope?
Hope.
And Haley, right? Bailey. I'm sorry, I was back there. Bailey. Nice to meet all of you guys. We'll meet all of you soon in just a minute, one-on-one. But we're going to play.